Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are gonna be making some brown stewed turkey neck with broad bean. So if you're new over here guys, look at this delightful dish. Just go ahead and subscribe, you won't be disappointed, trust me. Alright, and to all my amazing subscribers, thank you for subscribing and thank you for coming back. I appreciate every single one of you. Now make we cook some food. Yes guys, these are my turkey necks. I'm going to clean them up real nice, wash them with some vinegar and some lemon juice. Yeah, I'm gonna do 1.5 pack, and then the other half pack I'm gonna curry for my daughter because she requested curry. All right, so I'm just gonna clean them up. Stay tuned. So I just done cut them up guys. Finally, it take a while to chop them up. I cut them in my desired size, and I'm gonna wash them with some vinegar and some lemon. Yes baby. I have this marinate. It has ginger, garlic, it has peppers, thyme, pimento, a whole bag of goodness in there. I'm gonna add some, about 2 tablespoons. Yeah. And of course I'm gonna add some browning to give it some color. Not a lot. And I have my oxtail seasoning. I'm gonna add some of that on there. A tablespoon. And I have my spicy Cajun seasoning. Gonna add a tablespoon of that. And then my good Creole seasoning. 1 tablespoon of that as well, because we want it to come out nice and taste good. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle some oil over this so that the seasoning can get to glide through properly. So after you rub this up guys, if you don't have a desired color, feel free to go ahead and add more browning. So this needs some more browning. I'm gonna add a little bit more. But say brown stew we are cooking, we're gonna cook white stew. So now you can put this down to marinate, but I'm gonna cook this right away and it's still gonna taste good, trust me. I'm just gonna prepare my scallion, onion, scotch bonnet, pepper, you know, all of these nice things. Yeah, some thyme and all of that. We're just gonna prepare that and then we're gonna come back and go to the stove. Alright guys, so right here I have my pot. It's well heated and I just added my oil. Now we are going to put our turkey neck to braise. So now guys, I'm just gonna dump everything in there. I'm gonna stir them around for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing them to get brown on each side, you know, just stir them around. And then we are going to just add some liquid to that because you know this is gonna take a while to cook. So we're just gonna add some liquid. We're gonna add our scallion, onion, thyme, peppers and all of that good stuff. And also I'm gonna transfer this to my pressure cooker. All right, because it's Sunday, we're cooking dinner and you know it's gonna take a while and you want to spend time with the family. So the quickest way is to just add it to your pressure cooker. But before I add it to my pressure cooker, I'm gonna allow it to boil up first. That way, as soon as it's going in the pressure cooker, it can start to pressure right away. All right. And I know a lot of people like to slow cook their food. I do sometimes, especially if I'm cooking curry goat, but sometimes you don't have no choice, so why not go ahead and throw everything in the pressure cooker. Just make sure that it's, you know, there's enough liquid to cover the meat. Now I have these beans. They take a while to cook, trust me. They are lima beans, and I'm just gonna add them in and put it to pressure for 30 minutes. Alright, I've used the pressure cooker many times, so I know 30 minutes can cook both the peas and the turkey neck. So we're just gonna give it 30 minutes And while it's cooking, I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I do with when I'm cooking my gungo. Yeah, I'm gonna be making some rice and peas, but I'm using the tin gungo. All right, so right here I have my water and my coconut milk, a little piece of butter. You don't want to use too much butter when you're cooking the rice and peas, it will make it soft. So I'm adding some browning. This is a trick, you know, say if you're using a tin gungo, it's not gonna have any color, and you want a little color on the rice and peas, just add like a browning, guys. Trust me, it come out really nice, and it doesn't take away the flavor from your rice and peas. And this is the peas that I'm normally use. This is a piece that I normally use. I get it at Walmart, and I really don't like how the brine smells. You know, the brine that they soak it in the tin. I don't like how it smells, so I always rinse it. So now my turkey neck is ready. It's out of the pressure cooker, and I add it back to my pot. I'm just gonna allow it to cook down to gravy, but before, I'm just gonna add some more flavor, some more scallion, some more thyme, peppers, and all of that good stuff, and also some tomato. I'm also gonna add just about a tablespoon of ketchup as well. Even though I'm adding the tomato, you don't have to. Well, you know, we have a lot of ketchup lovers in here, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna allow it to cook all the way down to gravy, to, you know, a semi-thick gravy like consistency, and then we're good to go. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna put it on a nice platter for you, so don't go anywhere, keep on watching. So if any of you guys want to see a full video of how to make the gungo rice with using the tin gungo, just let me know in the comment section. I don't usually have the fresh gungo because unless someone is coming from Jamaica, but otherwise I buy this one in Walmart or at the Asian store, but it is just the same. So just let me know in the comment section. So right here my turkey neck is ready. It has my desired gravy like consistency. Yeah, it's nice. It's not too thick and it's not watery. It's just perfect. And yeah, it was really flavorful, guys. Just follow these exact steps. If you have never made brown stew turkey neck before, just follow these exact steps. See it there now? See it there, guys? See it there? Nice brown stew turkey neck with a little pasta salad on the side, some tomatoes, and that nice gungo. Yes, guys, there you have it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet a part of my family. All right, bye.